Welcome to Misoo English Coloring. Today, you will learn 10 ocean animals in English. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. Shrimp. Shrimp.
What jumps in the sea?
Shrimp. Boing, boing.
Shrimp. Shrimp.
Sea otter. Sea otter.
Who floats and plays?
Sea otter. So cute.
Sea otter. Sea otter. Mussel. Mussel.
What lives in a shell?
Mussel. Yummy.
Mussel. Mussel. Sea snail. Sea snail.
Who carries its house?
Sea snail. Slow and cute.
Sea snail. Sea snail. Orca. Orca.
Who's black and white?
Orca, strong and fast.
Orca. Orca. Scallop. Scallop.
What claps in water?
Scallop. Clap, clap.
Scallop. Scallop. Cuttlefish. Cuttlefish.
Who changes colors fast?
Cuttlefish. Magic.
Cuttlefish. Cuttlefish. Sea anemone. Sea anemone.
Where does Nemo hide?
In sea anemone.
Sea anemone. Sea anemone. Hermit crab. Hermit crab.
Who lives in a shell?
Hermit crab, cute.
Hermit crab. Hermit crab. Sea slug. Sea slug.
What's colorful and slow?
A sea slug, rainbow.
Sea slug. Sea slug.
Let's review the words. Shrimp. Shrimp.
Sea otter. Sea otter. Mussel. Mussel. Sea snail. Sea snail. Orca. Orca. Scallop. Scallop. Cuttlefish. Cuttlefish. Sea anemone. Sea anemone. Hermit crab. Hermit crab. Sea slug. Sea slug.
You have learned 10 ocean animals in English. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. Watch our next videos to learn more vocabulary. Thank you for watching.